Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fill in. So let's see Capricorn, what are the messages for you and what's going on. King of Cups. What are the messages for you and what's going on, Capricorn? King of Cups and Queen of Cups. And Five of Pentacles with Seven of Cups with Hanged Man. I think Capricorn, you are feeling stuck, you are feeling avoided because cold shouldering, maybe they treated you as an option. You are in some confusion state. Yes, there is no clarity. Maybe they are always giving you false hope in relationship. Definitely because you are feeling stuck. Yeah, Three of Swords. Heartbroken and confusion, cold shouldering, treating you as an option. Let's see your reading. Recent past, King of Cups, the Tower, and the Empress. You have so much love towards this person. Actually, King and Cups and Queen of Cups. You both have love towards each other. But maybe one person is married in this connection. Already married. That type of situation I'm getting here. But whatever may be the situation, maybe you are going through a tower moment in past. The tower is here. Then you stand by your power. Then you are taking your control back. Yes. Maybe they are not offering commitment, they are not offering stability. That's why maybe they are in and out of your life. Even yes, they do love you, but there is no stability. Then what is point? Then present Sun, Eight of Cups, and Two of Pentacles. Maybe you decided to move on, but you are juggling. Maybe you are unable to make decision. You are juggling between moving on or not moving on, that type of situation, because you want at the same time you don't want this person, that type of situation you are in. And children's also involved in this connection. Then future, Two of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, and Queen of Cups. Maybe someone is entering in your life. Two of Cups energy. I think Two of Cups soulmates. Maybe this person could be a soulmate. This is mutual love. Maybe in future someone in you will enter into your life. In this time, maybe you are focusing on your career. Nine of Pentacles is here. You want to be independent, especially emotionally and financially. I think you still have emotions towards your past person. If you are in separation with Queen of Cups is here. For some, maybe past person you could be soulmates. Yeah, still there is love, but there is no commitment. Two cases. One case, yeah, you both could be soulmates, but there is no commitment. Another case, a new person will entering into your life. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see Capricorn, your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So under the deck, King of Pentacles with Five of Swords. Yeah, there are some issues regarding commitment. Maybe they backstabbed on you, maybe cheated on you for some third party. So let's see their current feelings, Capricorn. The Lovers with Seven of Pentacles. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. They are very attracted to you. They want passionate new beginnings if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level because Three of Pentacles is here. Collaboration, partnership, and they want to send some text or message. Children's also involved in this connection. and they are very passionate towards you. There is love. Yeah, there is love between both of you, and this person is very attracted to you. So let's see their intentions, Capricorn. See, Three of Swords. They're missing you so much. Five of Pentacles, suffering in silence. And Queen of Cups. Yeah, they do love you. They still have emotions. And they're suffering in silence. In action wise, yeah, their feelings are to come forward to work on this relationship, and they want to come, they want to text you, they want to message you, but right now they're suffering in silence. They're missing you so much, and they do love you. So Four of Swords, right now they're healing themselves. They're doing meditation to heal completely. And King of Pentacles, they're thinking about stability. So after healing, once healing completed, maybe they will come, they will make a move towards you, but I think it will take so much time. Right now they're missing and suffering in silence and healing, but they do love you. They are very passionate towards you, lot of passion, and they're thinking about you seriously this time, and they really want to work on this relationship. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energy. Yeah, they want new beginnings. And they're very passionate towards you. They're very attracted towards you. And yeah, once this energy was gone, definitely they will back for new beginnings. And another deck, Seven of Swords with Seven of Cups. Yeah, but there are some trust issues. Maybe you're not trusting this person. Yeah, maybe they played games with you in past, in and out of your life, lies involved in this connection. Trust issues between both of you guys. Definitely, maybe Seven of Swords is very sneaky energy. It's up to you. If you really know that this person playing games with you, then there is no point to wait for this person. Yeah, communication, lots of communication. And Queen of Swords. Maybe you are not available to them to talk because there is communication is coming, but you are setting boundaries. You want marriage, less than that you don't want. And Five of Swords and Ace of Cups. So right now, Five of Swords energy, there are some disturbances, some issues between both of you. And Ace of Cups in reverse. I don't read reverse cards. You are loving yourself. You are giving priority yourself, because Queen of Swords is taking back your power. So let's say mutual. Eight of Swords with Strength reverse. See, I think this connection is right now stuck. There is no movement because you are in separation. And under the deck, Death card, this is one type of ending between you and your person. Four of Swords, separation. Yeah, but they will make a move, but it will take time. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Capricorn. Age difference. Yeah, for some, maybe you both have age differences. Past person return. Second chance. All I want is you. Reconciliation. I feel so alone. So these are the messages. Age differences, past person, second chance, reconciliation, all I want is you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Your hard work is paying off, new moon in Capricorn. Don't let pride get in your way, full moon in Leo. So if they will approach, don't show your attitude or pride. And the other message is your hard work is paying off. If you are doing hard work for your goals, consistently, so your hard work will pay off. For some, you will already getting results. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please do share and like and subscribe. Thank you.